Hey there, Las Vegas drivers. Today we are breaking down a phrase you've probably heard before, the Statute of Limitations. In the context of car accident lawsuits in Las Vegas, you will often hear the Statute of Limitations. But what exactly is it? Well, it's like a ticking clock. In Nevada, the statute of limitations for personal injury arising from car accidents is generally 2 years. That means you've got a 2-year window from the date of accident to file suit, or you risk forfeiting your right to pursue legal remedies. You may be asking, are there any exceptions? There are limited exceptions. For example, if the injured party is a minor, meaning under 18, then the clock may not start until the minor reaches 18 years old. Or imagine you don't discover your injury until sometime after the accident. In such cases, the date of discovery could serve as the start of your 2-year countdown. However, these exceptions are about as rare as hitting a jackpot in a local casino, so don't rely on them without consulting an experienced attorney. So, why is the statute of limitations important? Well, it serves a dual purpose. First, it encourages swift action, which usually results in more reliable evidence and testimony. Over time, witnesses might forget details and physical evidence can disappear or deteriorate, just like last year's Halloween candy. Second, it offers closure to all parties involved so they don't have to worry about a lawsuit popping up many years later. Ignoring the statute of limitations and trying to file a lawsuit after it expires may result in your case being dismissed, regardless of how strong the merits are. Now, what should you do if you find yourself in the unfortunate situation of a car accident in Las Vegas? First and foremost, ensure everyone's safety. Next, call emergency services and seek medical attention if needed. But don't stop there. Document the scene with photographs and gather witness contact details. This evidence can be invaluable when establishing fault or liability later on. Jot down as much information as you can. In car accident cases, the concept of negligence is often front and center. Negligence refers to not exercising the level of care that a reasonable person would under similar circumstances. It's all about proving who's at fault. In Nevada, proving the other party's negligence is essential for securing compensation. If you can't prove that someone else was at fault, you don't get compensated, no matter how badly you are injured. And here's the kicker. Nevada uses a modified comparative negligence system. That means that if you're found partially at fault, your compensation could get reduced by the same percentage as your fault. So, you're ready to take legal action. How do you file a car accident lawsuit in Las Vegas? The first step usually involves drafting and filing a complaint in a Nevada court. This document outlines your claims against the other party and the compensation you're seeking. After that, the defendant gets served with a complaint and a summons. The defendant then has a specific time to respond, usually 20 days, and the legal process unfolds from there, potentially involving negotiations, discovery, and even a trial if a settlement is not reached. Now, we have to touch upon insurance. In the aftermath of a car accident in Las Vegas, insurance plays a crucial role. The insurance company of the party found at fault generally covers the damages. But wait, in general, the insurance company is only responsible for damages up to the at-fault party's insurance limits. Nevada requires a minimum policy of $25,000. Unfortunately, the minimum liability insurance in Nevada might not cover the full cost of damages, especially in severe accidents. While it is possible to recover directly from the at-fault party, the likelihood of recovering above insurance is extremely slim. Getting fully compensated for your injuries is often the luck of the draw. You get hit by a Coca-Cola truck and you can fully recover your damages. However, get hit by a 20-year-old car with minimum coverage and you are likely out of luck if your damages exceed the insurance coverage. In a car accident, You can claim both economic and non-economic damages. Economic damages are relatively straightforward and include things like medical bills, repair costs, and lost wages. Non-economic damages are a bit trickier as they relate to intangible damages such as emotional suffering, pain, and loss of enjoyment of life. Non-economic damages are extremely subjective. One person could value someone's pain and suffering at $100,000, and another could look at the same evidence and value a person's pain at $50,000. Feeling a little overwhelmed? That's where an experienced attorney becomes important. Navigating the complexities of the statute of limitations, insurance issues, and legal procedures can be challenging. An attorney can help you meet all legal requirements and deadlines, gather evidence, negotiate with insurance companies, and even represent you in court if needed. So if you've been involved in a car accident in Las Vegas and need expert guidance, call High Stakes Injury Law for a free case evaluation. Don't gamble with your rights. Stay safe on the roads, and remember the clock is always ticking if you get in an accident. Thanks for joining us on this legal journey. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.